Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side, we have the Galfy 3-channel dash cam, and on the right side, we have the VMent dash cam front 2.5K. Get ready for some epic showdowns in the world of dash cams. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The Galfy dash cam boasts a triple-channel system capturing footage from the front, rear, and cabin of your car. With its 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video, you'll have all-round protection and crystal-clear evidence. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The Galfy dash cam utilizes a wide dynamic range technology and a large aperture of f1.8, ensuring excellent clarity day or night. Plus, it has 4 IR lights that can capture the driver and passengers even in complete darkness. Perfect for all you rideshare drivers out there. Let's move on to the extra features that make these dash cams stand out from the crowd. The Galfy dash cam has a built-in gravity shock sensor that automatically saves collision footage as protected files. It also offers loop recording, so you never have to worry about running out of storage space. And don't forget the parking monitor that activates upon detecting a collision, providing you with peace of mind even when your car is parked. Meanwhile, the VMent dash cam front 2.5K comes with a smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to view and manage recordings instantly on your smartphone. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor that automatically records emergency videos when it detects collisions. Plus, with loop recording and a G sensor, it ensures that important footage is never overwritten. Both the Galfy 3-channel dash cam and the VMent dash cam front 2.5K have their own unique strengths. It all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember, always do your research, compare products, and make an informed decision. That's what Buy Smart is all about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more epic product comparisons. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping.